bonus reading for February the 10th to February the 11th, air signs. So we have the Page of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. Either pinagbawalan mo si person or hindi, no? I think parang in-stop ni person dito yung pakikipag-usap sa ibang tao, in-stop ni person yung pakikipaglandian, or kung merong kumakausap sa kanila or lumalandi sa kanila, I feel like medyo talagang naka-block, no? Or hindi naman, parang hindi lang sinasagot, hindi rin sinisin, so parang hinahayaan lang. So hindi mapagpatol si person dito. Whether this is your request, demand, wish, prayer, it is definitely gonna be granted. With the Ten of Pentacles, parang sinasabi niya dito, ino-offer ko lang yung aking time, energy, and effort sa'yo lang, no? Wala nang iba. With the Four of Pentacles, medyo hindi rin siya nagpo-post lately para maiwasan, no, yung mga react, no, ng ibang tao at para hindi ka rin magalit. So this is your bonus reading, air signs, for February the 10th to February the 11th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.